Hey, what's going on, people? Tech, Jamo, welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time and you're feeling the content, make sure you like, subscribe, and ding that notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Now, can I give a big shout out to the guys at Tomtoc for sending me down some of these new carry cases for the Nintendo Switch OLED. You can find out more about Tomtoc and all their products in the link in the description section below. We're doing this as a one-take thing. I really can't be bothered to edit today. Anyway, this is the first thing that we got going on here, fam. This is like their hard case. Tomtoc do bare luggage. I mean proper size luggage as well, fam. So they brought all of that technology down to their miniature carry cases for smartphones, tablets, and of course the Nintendo Switch. And yeah, this is the hard case thing, fam. The quality is feeling nice. Look at these zips, fam. The zips are zipping. Look, you even got a little piece of logo on the zips there. Yeah, we love to see that. And the start of the zip is metal as well, so you know they're not gonna bend out of shape. Inside now, okay, two Tomtoc labels and that. And I think you got a little wrist lanyard over here as well, fam, and looking wavy. What else we got going on here, fam? Okay, little carry cases or little slots for the game cartridges and thing. And as you notice, they've got little indentations here, little cutouts for the controllers on the Joy-Con when you put them in there so that the case ain't pressing against the buttons on the Joy-Con. So slap that in here like this, like that, close that. Okay, you understand? Your Switch is protected now, you know, protected. Look at that. Can man even, is this even lined up though? Yeah, it is still. I can still press the button through that. Is that a door? Oh yeah. Alright, yeah, cool. But anyway, yeah, no, that's the little hard case. We love to see it. Okay. Now, let me go over to their other carry case they got going on here. This one, what is this called? I think it's called the G-sling bag. Let me have a look. Is it called G-sling? Yeah, it's called the G-sling bag, fam. Now let me put on the light so you guys can see what's going on inside here. One sec. There we go. Have a look inside there, fam. You can see the Tomtoc logo that they got going on all the way over there. This thing is looking wavy. They've got a little carry case, obviously. I mean a little carry strap thing. So you can strap this to you. Fam, bare different things going on here. So this little first strap here is like a little magnetic thing. So obviously, open that, close that. And you can, well, then I can pause it. No, but guys, for real though, look at the patterns going on inside there, fam. Wavy, hella wavy. Okay. Also inside there, you got this kind of case section for the Nintendo Switch itself, which kind of flips open and flips shut again. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the Nintendo Switch in there, like so, and then boom. You understand? It's not going nowhere now. It's all in there. You've even got a little strap here, a little Velcro strap. Strap it into place. And there's hella padding here, fam. Like, I don't know if you can see the thickness of this section here, but it's all velvety, it's all hella padded. Your Nintendo Switch can never come to any harm when it's inside that pocket. And there's enough space in this bag to put a hella heap of things in here, fam. Look at that, fam. Okay, these headphones don't fold up, but if they did, they'd be going in there, you understand it? So the G-sling bag in it, obviously. Man's got my Nintendo Switch. Nice! I've got, oh, what happened?
Fuck your life!
Oh, damn. I got my Nintendo Switch. I've got my mini Nintendo Switch dock, which is the same as the original dock, but I've put it into a smaller case. I've got my mini dock. Mini dock as well, which is like a dock. I don't know what they call it. It's like a cable dock, but basically it's got the dock system built into it. And all I need to do is pair it with the official Nintendo Switch dock. And this means I don't have to carry a big massive dock with me. So I got that as well. Got the official dock, obviously, little third-party controller, the straps. Let's see if we can fit this all in a little sling bag. Okay. Obviously, first of all, get the Nintendo Switch in there. Strap that in, make sure that's bare safe. I ain't got bare physical games, I got like 2, because man don't have money like that. Then, we're gonna get the little third-party controller, put that in there. Get the first-party adapter, slap that in there. We're still quite decent for space. And then man can either put the cable dock in there, and I can also put my miniature dock in there. And we're all good to go. Fam, that's it. That's the Nintendo Switch utility kit. When man goes on holiday, this is what I'm gonna carry, because this is everything I need for the Nintendo Switch. I'm taking it on holiday. Yeah. No, you're a lazy goat, you'll be sleeping. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, guys. Wavy things, fam, from Tomtoc, innit? Big shout out to them. I'm gonna see what Tomtoc are saying. I wanna do a little giveaway. They did 2 giveaways with me last year, so I'm gonna see what they're saying. Hopefully we can do another one. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.